All right, we got the lower unit on. A couple tricks because we still struggled with this thing. First of all, if you can't get the lower unit off, one thing you can do is put a block of wood in between here. This one is too big now, but as you can see, you can fit one in here and either pull up or even use the trim to pull this up to pull the lower unit off if it's stuck and you're having a hard time getting it on. So we had the same problem where we could get the lower unit on, but we could just barely get it maybe a 1/4 inch on the threads, and what we figured was that we were hitting the O-rings on the gimbal bearing was hitting the O-rings on the drive shaft. So we tried it a couple times and just weren't happy about it, and so put on the hoist, got everything lined up, made sure we had pulled it back, so again, we were just barely on the threads, tried to center it as best we could, made sure that we were engaged with the engine coupler, and if you can't turn the prop at all, you are definitely engaged. We got it all set, and then once it was all lined, John held the bolt, and I just gave it a push, not even super hard. She slid right on. This is the first time this thing has slid on like this, and I don't know how many years. So 12 years. So just a suggestion, if you're still running with that problem, and again, remember, using your alignment tool, you've got to be able to push it in with one finger. You've got to be able to turn it with 2 fingers. If it's tighter than that, this thing is really not going to go on. You're going to just fight it. So hopefully everything else works. We'll see you online.